Hello everyone. The topic for today is home loan again. The topic is now if you have a home loan, like maybe your residential home loan where you are living, or maybe investment property loan. Now, should you pay it off? Well, I personally consider it as a loan not on you. It is a loan on the property. So why do you want to take a burden? It is not on you. It is on the property. In case you cannot pay, obviously bank will sell the property, or you can sell the property and pay it off. So why are you in a stress that you got so much loan? I personally will not take any stress. Don't take any stress. It is not loan on you, it is on the property. In case you cannot pay it off for any reason, just sell it and just pay off the loan. That's it. Don't take any tension, don't take any stress. Now the topic is, should you pay it off? It is not a loan on you, then why are you worried? You should never pay it off. Keep at that limit, do not pay it off. This is what I would suggest, do not pay it off. Then what you should do if you have extra money, for example, your installment is only 20,000, your interest which you are paying is only 20,000 a year, and your income is 100,000 or 200,000. So every year you have spare money of 50,000 or 100,000, you got spare money every year. Should you pay off the loan? No. What you should do? You should make multiple investment. You should use it as a deposit, buy another property, or maybe investment in shares or in cryptocurrency or whatever you want to do, or buying a business. Use that extra money, extra spare cash to make multiple investments. If you do not have that, let us say you do not have knowledge to make multiple investment for some time. It takes time to gain knowledge. So what do you do in that initial 1 or 2 years? Put that money in an offset, but don't pay it off. If you pay off the loan, let us say you get 100,000, you have 100,000, and you pay off your loan, then again if you want that money back, bank is not going to pay you back. You again have to apply for with the bank and ask. You have to supply all the documents. Bank may or may not give you further loan. So my suggestion, put that money in an offset, and if you put money in an offset, obviously you do not pay an interest on that. So you are not paying an interest, but you have all the funds available with you at your disposal. You can use it anytime, but do not pay off the loan. If you pay off the loan, it is very hard to get it back from the bank. Okay, that's my personal advice. We are not financial planners, and we cannot give you advice based any advice on loans, but it is my personal advice, so I thought I should share with you. Okay, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.